853 species in genus Viola. A world of violets. Exploring the Viola genus. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the delicate beauty and vibrant colors of violets. These seemingly simple flowers, belonging to the genus Viola, hold a fascinating diversity that I'm excited to share with you. From the familiar sweet violet gracing gardens to the lesser-known species thriving in diverse habitats across the globe, the world of Viola is ripe for exploration. What is Viola? Viola is a genus of flowering plants in the family Violaceae. It's the largest genus in the family, boasting over 850 recognized species. While many of us associate violets with the temperate northern hemisphere, they can be found in surprisingly diverse locations, including Hawaii, Australasia, and even the Andes Mountains. This wide distribution speaks to the adaptability and resilience of this remarkable genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the basics, unique characteristics of Viola. While we often appreciate violets for their aesthetic appeal, they possess several fascinating features that contribute to their success. Cleistogamy. Many Viola species exhibit cleistogamy, meaning they produce flowers that never open but still self-fertilize. This ensures seed production even in unfavorable conditions for pollination. Seed dispersal. Violets have evolved unique seed dispersal mechanisms. Some species have explosive capsules that launch seeds away from the plant, while others rely on ants to carry their seeds to new locations. Hybrid vigor. Viola species readily hybridize, leading to new variations and increased genetic diversity. This contributes to their adaptability and ability to colonize new environments. The importance of Viola. Beyond their ornamental value, Viola species play essential roles in their ecosystems. Food source. Violets serve as a food source for various insects, including butterflies and moths. Their nectar and pollen are crucial for pollinators. Medicinal uses. Some Viola species have traditional medicinal uses. For example, Viola odorata has been used to treat respiratory ailments and skin conditions. Ecological indicators. The presence or absence of certain Viola species can indicate the health of an ecosystem, as they are sensitive to environmental changes. Conservation and cultivation. While many Viola species are common and widespread, some face threats due to habitat loss and degradation. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these vulnerable species. Cultivating violets can be a rewarding experience. They are relatively easy to grow in gardens, providing beautiful blooms and attracting pollinators. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, consider adding some Viola species to your garden and contribute to their preservation. A continuing fascination. The world of Viola is vast and captivating. From the delicate beauty of their flowers to their unique adaptations and ecological significance, there's always something new to discover about these remarkable plants. As I continue to explore the diversity and complexity of this genus, I'm filled with a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of Viola. Observe the violets in your local parks and gardens, learn about their unique characteristics, and consider contributing to their conservation. By appreciating and protecting these remarkable plants, we can ensure that future generations will continue to enjoy their beauty and ecological importance.